to another video. Today I'm going to be showcasing my new FF plane, which is powered by fireworks and is healthy for the environment. Just because my friend Luca keeps on saying like it's so green and healthy and powered by So I have to change the paint team since it's okay. Here you go, the FF plane. It was originally inspired by Jesse, the YouTuber, so credits to him. So this is the inside of the FF plane. We have 4 thrones, 2 pumpkins with plushies on them, and the pilot chair. And now for the mechanics, I'll show you the mechanics. So basically, whenever you press this lever, it activates a balloon and a parachute, which is in there. And then it activates the delay, and the delay activates each one of these fireworks, which will then actually launch the plane into the sky. So let's try it out. Yeah, sorry, the parents are just. Okay. And now we should, if we just. And just like that, we're flying. We just. Sometimes we go down. Oh yeah, here's the battery power. It shows how much battery is left. Yeah, just like that, and it actually moves down the more you use this. And it actually does. Oh look, it just went down. Team, and now on the magenta team. Oh, we only have 1 power charge left. Oh gosh, like a few seconds left. Okay, we're about to drop down, and okay, parachute is activated, and we're about to drop down any second now. Just like that. And then we drop down. Just like that, and then we can have a nice, safe journey in the ocean. And this could actually use like a sheep. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. And see ya in the next video. But you'll see me in heaven. Okay, bye.